The Loch Ness Monster 565 AD. This beast is incredibly famous in Scotland as it is considered to be sighted all around Scotland. This picture shows him coming out of the river, but no one really can explain this picture. An ancient visitor from outer space, 15th century. This painting by Domenico Ghirlandaio of the Modano with Saint Giovanni dates back to the 15th century and seemingly shows an unidentified flying object UFO hovering in the background. However, this was considered as a mistake until a man on the stairs is seen pointing at the UFO. The Tunguska Event 1908. In 1908, a massive explosion happened near the Stony Tunguska River in Russia. The explosion flattened 770 square miles of forest, topping around 80 million trees, and yet somehow resulted in no loss of human life. This was extremely shocking as no one was hurt even after this level of devastating explosions, that is greater than the Hiroshima explosion. The Great Alien Reconnaissance 1952. In 1952, multiple air traffic controllers from several airport and air force bases near Washington DC reported seeing unidentified blips of their radar screens. When questioning local pilots, the controllers were told that a number of bright lights had been seen in the sky nearby. Fighter jets are sent, but they lose UFOs because they are not able to match their speed. Bigfoot 1967. Bigfoot is a legend that dates back as far as 1867, with several people reporting seeing giant wild men wandering the forest and the mountains of the Pacific Northwest parts of United States and Canada. However, no one have actually seen them in real, or maybe if had, then they are not alive to tell the truth. NASA Lunar Pyramid 1972. In 1972, Apollo 17's mission to the moon came back with several photographs from near Geophone rock. This photo was marked by NASA as blank, but when enhanced, appears to show what looks like a pyramid on the moon. This later led to many conspiracy theories that NASA was hiding what was really up there. The Face of Mars 1976. Another NASA related mystery, this time centers around Mars and comes thanks to another photo snapped from outer space. Here, the Viking 1 spacecraft captured photos of Mars surface that appeared to show a face looking back at the spaceship from the ground. The Mayaka Skunk Ape 2000. The Mayaka skunk ape is by most accounts a distant relation Bigfoot's. This large ape-like creature has been spotted many times over the years, with the earliest sightings dating back to the 1960s. But more recently, it has also been caught multiple times on videos. Juvenile Bigfoot 2007. In September 2007, Rick Jacobs placed a motion sensing camera in a tree along the game trails of Pennsylvania. This camera later captured multiple images which appeared to show some bears being chased off by an ape-like creature which resembled a juvenile Bigfoot. The Hubble Pyramid 2008. From around 1999, the Hubble telescope was pointed at the moon and captured a number of images. One of these photographs, never officially released by NASA, appears to show a pyramid on the surface. The Portuguese Copacabra, 2016. The legend of the Copacabra finds its roots in the Americas, where a creature is said to wander the lands, attacking and killing livestock and drinking the blood from their remains. Reports of Copacabra have since come from all over the world, and in 2016 a video was captured in Portuguese desert. However, there is no live proof of them alive, but the locals believe that they still wander and kill animals and even sometimes people. So that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and press that bell notification icon so that you never miss any conspiracy theories like this one